Hello friends, today I will show you how to use OpenCode in your terminal, okay, or in your desktop app, or you can use the free API, different free APIs or different free models using OpenCode. Okay, so like nvidia provides some free models, OpenRouter provides some free models. So you can you can just go to the OpenRouter and nvidia, create the API key and use that API key into the OpenCode terminal, and you can completely create simple web application, ask some questions, create some HTML websites as well. So let's start. Okay, so here is the OpenCode website. First, you go to the OpenCode website. The website link available in the description for all the resources that I using in this video. All the links available in the description box. So you can visit the OpenCode. Either you download from here for the desktop version, okay, or you can install like that. Okay, open terminal. This is for terminal. This is for desktop version. Okay, either you using Mac or using Windows or using Linux, or we have the OpenCode also work for different IDs like VS Code, Cursor, Z, Windsurf, and VS Codium. Okay, it is also have different GitHub's library as well. Okay, so first I need to install OpenCode into the terminal. So friends, you open the terminal, okay, command prompt or PowerShell, or just copy. If you want to know more about the OpenCode, here there is a different type of questions is there. What is OpenCode? How do I use OpenCode? Do I need extra AI subscription for the OpenCode? Everything is available because this is a completely open source, 100% free open source model. Okay, you need to create one folder like I created in the C drive. I create. After creating the folders, you just again visit the OpenCode. Either you need to install from the desktop and just use curl or npm. So everything is required some more installation, so I'm using npm, okay, because I don't have any installation for Linux one. So just go to and then I put here and then enter. After you enter this, you just check here that OpenCode installation is running in your OpenCode folder. Okay, so through npm, here we are installing the complete OpenCode project, okay, in the terminal. After it is installation, we'll just run the command and the OpenCode is running. So after installation, okay, you just type here and hit enter. If the OpenCode is properly installed in your PC, so the command prompt is directly terminate as a open command prompt. Okay, so this is the OpenCode terminal. You just see here, OpenCode is properly installed using just single command. We just copy only this command and the OpenCode is properly installed. Okay, now how you use this open command. Okay, so here when you put the slash, you find multiple things here there. Okay, multiple commands is there. So if you want to check, there is a models. Okay, so just go to the model and you find here there is a Kimike recently. Okay, then we have the OpenZen. Okay, then we have Cloudflare. Okay, so these are the models. Out of these models, some models are free, some models are paid. Okay, so you just need to add the API key in this model. Okay, in the OpenCode, you add the API key and use that model. You use only free models, not the paid models. Okay, so how you use the free models? Okay, so let's say you go to the OpenRouter. Okay, so this is the OpenRouter AI website. This is a free, there is a free models available. You just go to the model and you can search here as a free. Okay, you can find there is a huge number of free models available that you will use in your OpenCode terminal. Okay, so you use anyone, either use the this one nvidia super, any model you just use. Okay, so Kimike open and lot of things is there, so you can choose any of the model here. Like we have the queen 3. Okay, so either we can use the queen 3 or any of the. So I created this. Okay, first one, this is a completely free and there is a 1M context. Okay, here is the complete option how that model is performed. Okay, just click on the quick start and create API key. Okay, so in the OpenRouter, just give the name and give the expiration for and create. So after creation, you just find this key. Okay, you just copy this key and put at the notepad. Okay, then again you go to your terminal, open code terminal. Okay, so right now the Kimike K2.6 is selected. If you want to use another, you just go to the connect. On the connect, you can just see there is a popular and something. Okay, so just type OpenRouter. Okay, so just type OpenRouter and you can see here there is a OpenRouter. You can select that OpenRouter and enter. It is asking the API key. Just put your API key that you copied here. After enter the API key, you just find all the models from the OpenRouter. Okay, so here you can find there is a multiple OpenRouter API key, API models is there. Okay, just find here terminal, queen, GLM. Okay, all the models here. So you can use only free models that is available for the free version. Like this is okay, gamma free, and then you just need to search is like free, and you find there is a huge number of free models available. Okay, there is a huge number of free models available in the OpenRouter. Okay, so you can use any of these models. Okay, you select any of the models and start working on it. So we need to start through okay this. Okay, and select high, medium, any default. Okay, just check it. GPT OS model. Just I ask some question. What is LLM? Let's see. It is giving the response or not. We are checking. Okay, we just check it. So the model is properly working. Okay, you just use any other model through this. I just use the OpenRouter. You can go to the nvidia and log in into that and use the nvidia key and use all the free models that available inside the nvidia. So you can use that API key into the open code and all the free models that is available inside the OpenRouter, inside the nvidia. You can use it from here. So using this, you just create the different type of application, different type of HTML pages, anything. So let's say just can you create HTML index page. Okay, let's enter it. Create a simple HTML page with basic HTML skeleton and placeholder content. Okay, so just check it. Preparing writing. So now it is created the HTML, simple HTML page. So if you want to change the folder, okay, like this. This is the open code folder that is pointed into our main code, like C open code. So you want to create anything, can you create? Let's see, take some example. Okay, let's change the model. So you can change the model /model. If you don't like this model, you just change the model for OpenRouter. You search the free, and all the free models that is available inside the OpenRouter. You can use any of the model like DeepSeek, okay, Gamma. These many models is available. So let's see. We are using right now Neutrus, Nemotron, and just again giving the same, create TikTok game, okay, and then enter. Let's see. This Nemotron 3 ultra free model is creating that HTML page or not. So like that, you can use different type of models. Just go to the OpenRouter or nvidia, copy the key and use it here. If this model is not working, you just change another model like the previous model. GPT OSS 120B is already working. So if this model is not working, because we are using the open model, so you just know it, open model is not working sometimes. Okay, so I just escape it because it is not working. Again I change it, different models. Again come search the free, and I use the same model, or we can try another one. You can try anyone. Like this one is not working, so might be DeepSeek. Let's try DeepSeek, Open Zen. Create TikTok game. Let's see it is working or not. Okay, now DeepSeek V4 flash free model is working. Okay, now that particular functionality is done. Open index.html in your browser to play the TikTok. Okay, let's again I go to the particular page and just open it, open, and you can see this is the complete TikTok game is ready at your site. This is ready at currently within a couple of seconds. Okay, दोस्तों. So you just install the, so you will install this open code, open source model into your terminal, and you can use different type of APIs key, OpenRouter or nvidia, and use and create this type of different type of applications as you need it. You just use the open code, nothing else. If you like this video, like the video and subscribe the channel.